Hey, what's going on everybody? Joey here for a quick guide to replacing your tail light. Nothing is worse than coming out one day and finding your tail light has been busted, but I'm going to show you how to fix it. So the first thing we need to do is take off these two retaining screws. These are what's holding the body of the assembly, pretty much, onto the vehicle. It just takes a little bit of force going in the right direction and you're going to be able to get these off. You want to go slow though. You don't want to strip these or break the actual frame or anything like that, because then you're just going to be in more world of a hurry. Once you get these off, you can easily slide the piece out and put the new one on. Now it should come out pretty easy. A little bit of tugging on this. I don't want to break the retaining screws or the retaining kind of washers that are on there. So I want to be a little gentle. I'm not worried about the actual plastic piece, more about the body and trying to get this thing off without breaking anything else on the truck. Just a little more. There we go. Got it. Now I can unscrew the light bulbs. Light bulbs come just out like this. I mean, just a little pop, a little counterclockwise, and they come right out. Very simple. And now, in the reversed order, I just put them right back on. Make sure I remember the orientation and which one was where, and just slide it right in and it should lock down. It kind of flew in. It's not going to go straight down. You kind of have to angle it and then it pops right in. Very easy. But again, not a lot of force. I do not want to break these housings or I'm going to have to replace those also. All I want to do is just slide it right in at an angle, pop it till it locks. And that is it to put in these light bulbs back in. With the installation of the new piece, all I need to make sure is I line up the guide holes. There's going to be two on the top on each side and two on the bottom on each side. And I'm just going to gently nudge these in to make sure I line up both, and the piece should pop right in without a problem. Last but not least, do not forget those retaining screws. If you do, it's going to fall out when you're driving. So just line up the new plastic assembly with the frame and give them a hand tighten. I don't want to ratchet it down just yet, or we're going to cross some screws. I'm just going to do it hand tight, and once those are in good, you go ahead and use the ratchet and drive them home. And there we go, all fixed. As easy as that. That took 5 minutes and would have cost maybe $100 or more at the body shop. But about $50 on Amazon, I was able to fix it quick. So if you like that, as always, keep watching, like, subscribe, comment, and send me what I'm doing right or wrong. I love your suggestions. And as always, and I mean it straight from the heart, be safe, ride safe, wear your seatbelt, and keep at least 2 wheels on the road.